Hi mommies and daddies, welcome to our channel My Guglu Muglu. I am Sona, and in this video I am going to tell you how to take care of your kids during this coronavirus pandemic. Okay, so I have divided this video into two sections. In first section I am going to discuss few things that we should keep in our mind to prevent this coronavirus. Okay, and in second section we are going to discuss like closing of school, childcare, shutdown because of COVID-19 and how to manage our kids at home. Okay, so let's start the video. So let's move toward the first section. So the first point is wash hand frequently. So we have to teach our kids to wash their hand on regular basis, and for that they can use a regular hand soap, but make sure to rub all surfaces of your hand for at least 20 seconds. Okay, and then we can rinse our hand thoroughly, and we can also use a good hand sanitizer to clean our hands, right? But make sure it should have at least 60% alcohol content in it. Okay, let's move towards the next thing, that is practice social distancing. So stay at home, avoid close contacts from the people who are coughing and sneezing. If you see somebody who is coughing and sneezing, keep your kids away from them. Okay, so like if you are going outside to buy any essentials for you, make sure to maintain a distance of 6 feet over there. Okay, because it is believed that respiratory secretions from coronavirus can't travel more than 6 feet. Okay, so always maintain a distance of 6 feet. Let's move towards the next point. And the third point is keep your home clean. Okay, so we have to clean our home on regular basis and disinfect the things that we use in common, like remotes, table, drawer handles, light switches, sinks, toilets. Okay, we have to pay special attention towards the main door, doorknob and the doorbell. Okay, and I would like to suggest to use a separate pair of slipper for the outside purpose and keep them outside only. So the next point is keep our kids well hydrated with coconut water, lemon water, watermelon juice. So this would help them flushing off their toxins and improve their immunity. Okay, so it is always good to eat plant-based foods which are high in fiber and limiting your processed foods. And if we talk about the small kids, we should wash their toys on regular basis with warm water and then dry them completely. Make sure your kids get enough sleep and rest. So the next point is how to cover our face. Okay, so we have to teach our kids to cover their mouth and nose when they are going to sneeze and cough. Okay, they can also use the inside of their elbow for this. Okay, so to cover our face we can use a face mask or a regular cotton cloth. Okay, but make sure there should not be any difference between the mask and your face. Okay, so the last point is stay calm and be well informed about this illness and correct any rumors and misinformation that your kid hear. Okay, we have to keep our kids away from any frightening news that they may see on TV. Okay, so at last we have to teach our kids to show empathy towards the people who are ill. So be good role models as parents. So next section is how to manage kids at home. Okay, so we have to take this as an opportunity to slow down and improve your bonding time with your kids. Okay, so we can pray together, meditate, you can teach yoga to your kids, you can read them different books, you can read them stories, poems. Okay, so according to me, readings always improves your bonding with your kids and also help in their development. Okay, so during this time our kids can feel easily bored, so we have to involve them in indoor activities to cut down their boredom. Okay, so we can also make their learning fun by giving them puzzles, right? We can teach them craft, like how to make useful stuff from the waste material. Okay, we can also ask them to do simple household activities to engage your kids. At this point we have to engage our kids in active playing, as we can't spend our all day in front of TV or watching movie, right? So we can play games like peekaboo or hide and seek. You know what, let your kids make their own games. Sometimes kids make really funny games, so add your own rules to those games and play together, so it would be really a fun. Okay, if we talk about older kids, encourage them to make up a workout or dance plan to keep them moving. Okay, so singing, dancing, gardening, all these things can be very relaxing, and at the same time these are very creative things to do. Okay, at this time when all schools are closed, this should not stop your kids from learning. Okay, ensure that your kids have a regular habit of studying. For that, you can give them assignment related to their study, and then you can check those assignments on regular basis and understand their progress. Okay, so at this time period, if your kids are missing their friends, you can try phone chats, video call to stay in touch with them. Okay, so eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds. Okay, watch out for any symptoms of COVID-19 and reach out to the doctors if it is necessary. You should always have a plan in advance if your child falls sick. Okay, so hope friends you like this video. I wish you a very happy and healthy life for all my Guglu Muglus. So wait for my next video. Till then, bye bye, ta-da!